Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix ghost touch on an iPhone. If you are using an iPhone now, you are facing a problem which is ghost touch on your iPhone. So let's see how you can fix it. For this, first you have to make sure that your phone screen has been fully cleaned and there is no dust and nothing else on your screen. If anything found, you just have to clean it from a microfiber cloth. And after doing this, just open phone settings, and here you just have to go for general and then go for transfer or reset iPhone. Just select it and here tab on reset, and here if you just have to reset all settings, but first you have to make sure that your system is up to date. So for system updates, and here make sure that your software has up to date, and after doing this you just have to make a quick restart of your phone. So quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. So let's do this again. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. First you have to enter your password here, and then volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button, and wait until your phone screen will be fully blacked. Just wait for it, and now wait for the Apple logo. And here's that. Now release the button and put your phone, and after that let's make sure that your phone has been fixed the problem. But if it doesn't, so you have to make a final step. So just wait for the power on of the phone. After that you have to enter your phone passcode. Just enter it and then go for settings, then general, and then go for transfer or reset iPhone, and here select reset, then select reset all settings, and after that you just have to enter your passcode. First select reset all settings, or then make a quick restart of your phone. But if the problem doesn't solve, you just have to make a last step, which is back up your data and make a fully restarted phone. Here's the erase all contact, just select it, and here you just have to tap on continue to complete this process. It will erase all tabs and data and your Apple account and make a free fresh installment of your software. So that's how you can fix ghost touches on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.